Good afternoon, children. In this session, we are going to learn about our neighbor from your social study book, chapter number 5. It is on page number 24. You just go through the lesson. So, here in this lesson, we are going to learn about our neighbors. Neighbors means Semeki. So, here begins the lesson. We do not live alone. We live with our parents, brothers, and sisters. All of us make a family. Other families live nearby. Our houses are our neighbors. They are around our house, and the houses of our neighbors together in a locality make our neighborhood. We are also the neighbors of families living near us. Many such neighborhoods form a town or a city. So, my dear students, we cannot live alone. We are social animals. So, we need society. We need many people around us to live together with them. So, first of all, you know very well that you live or we live with our parents, with our father, mother, brother, sister together in a house, and this make our family, and other families also live in this way nearby our houses, and the other houses that is nearby our house are known as neighbors. They are neighbors. They are around our houses and our houses are around theirs. So we are their neighbors whereas they are our neighbors. So we together make a neighborhood. All the neighbors together in a locality make a neighborhood. So we are also the neighbors of the families living near us, and they are our neighbors. So many neighborhoods form a town or a city. So in this way, many houses or many neighborhoods together make a city or town where there are many houses. So you are seeing the picture there. Just below the picture, let's move on. Our neighbors are our friends. We should help each other in times of need. We should share the things with our neighbors. We love our neighbors. We make friends with our neighbors' children and play with them. So, dear students, our neighbors are our friends. They also help us, and we also need to help them in the time of need. If they are in the trouble, then we need to help them. We need to share our things with them, and they also share the things with us and help us in the time of need. So we need to love our neighbors. We need to love our friends, because we make the friends with our neighbors' children and we play with them. So neighbors are very important, and we need to have a good relationship with the neighbors. So let us continue there. People of different religions live in our neighborhood. We celebrate ceremonies like wedding, birthday of a baby, etc. together. We invite our neighbors on birthday parties. Yes, children, obviously people of the locality or the neighborhood follows different types of religions, and they just celebrate different types of ceremonies, also different types of festivals, we just attend the wedding ceremony, birthday party, sometimes funerals also. So in this way, we just invite our neighbors also on those parties, and even they invite us to attend those parties and ceremonies. So in the next paragraph, let us see there. We celebrate all our festivals with our neighbors. Some of our neighbors belong to different places, they follow different religions and customs. We should respect their customs. Okay, children, yes, we celebrate festivals also. You know the different festivals we celebrate here also, like Dasira, Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Eid. These all are the religious festivals, whereas there are different national festivals also, and the festivals of the different uh, community also. So we just what do you call, we need to respect their religions also, we need to respect their culture, we need to respect their customs also, and they also need to do the same to just leave the people in a society peacefully or harmonically. So we should keep our neighborhood neat and clean. We should grow green plants and colorful trees and flowers all around our neighborhood. So our neighborhood should be clean, neat, so that we may not fall sick. The influenza or flu cannot spread quickly if we try to keep our surrounding neat and clean. If we grow green plants and colorful trees, flowers around our neighborhood, then we may just make our village or our neighborhood beautiful with this all, and we get fresh air to breathe and can stay uh, healthy. We should never spoil the plants or cut down trees around our neighborhood. There is unity among the people of our neighborhood. We are friendly with our neighbors. We should never quarrel with our neighbors. We should love and help them. So, my dear students, neighbors are very important for us. We cannot stay alone. We cannot live alone. We need our neighbors. We need the support from the people around us. So, we should save the plants also of our locality or our neighborhoods, and we should have the unity among the people living in the neighborhood. So we have to have the friendly relationship with them. There have good relationship between us in the neighborhood. So we should not quarrel with them. We should not quarrel with our neighbors. We should not quarrel with the children of the neighbors or the friends that you make there in the neighborhood. So we should be helpful to each other, and we should love each other and help each other in the neighborhood. So these all are about our neighborhood. So neighbors are very important in our life. So you need to uh, have the good relationship with the neighbors there. So here ends your lesson, my dear children. You just try to read yourself. So some of the word meanings are given over here. Let us try to read it. Neighbors means people living near our house, and neighborhood means families or houses near our house. So these are the word meanings of neighbors and neighborhood. So let us revise. People living near houses are our neighbors. So who are neighbors? If there arises a question, you can say people living near our house are our neighbors. So we should never quarrel with our neighbors. So what we should not do? We should not quarrel. Quarrel means to fight with our neighbors. So there are some exercises given here based on your understanding of the lesson. So at the first, choose the right word from the box and fill in the blanks. So there are given some words: friends, celebrate, religions, and invite. So let us try to fill correctly in the blanks. Number 1, we dash our neighbors on birthday parties. So if there is a birthday party at your home, what you will do with your neighbors? You just invite them, you will call them. So invite, invite in number 1. Number 2, our neighbors are our dash. So here in number 2, friends. Our neighbors are our friends. friends, friends. And in number 3, people of different dash live in our neighborhood. So people of different religion live in our neighborhood. So people who follows different religions also live near our neighborhood. So you can write religions in number 3, religions, religions. And in number 4, we dash all our festivals with our neighbors. So we celebrate all our festivals with our neighbors. Celebrate. CELEBRAT. Celebrate. Number 4 in fill in the blanks. Okay. So number B, answer the following questions. Who are our neighbors? So we have already learned its answer. People living near our house are our neighbors. PEOPLE, people, LIVING, living, NEAR, near, OUR, our, HOUSE, house, ARER, OUR, our, NEIGS, BOURS, neighbors. So full stop. What is neighborhood? Families and houses near our house are called neighborhood, or the people living near our house. You can see here also they are around our house, and the houses of our neighbors together in a locality make our neighborhood. That means the neighbors and the families of the neighbors live near our house. So these families living near our houses make the neighborhood. So you can write what is neighborhood. The people living, or people, or you may say families, or their houses near our house makes the neighborhood. So you can write answers in this way. So number 3, how can we take care of our neighborhood? We can take care of our neighborhood by what? Loving them, having friendly relationship with them, and celebrating festivals together, celebrating the different types of ceremonies together. We can take care of our neighborhood. So in this way you can say how can you take care of your neighborhood. In other sense, you can say that keeping the neighborhood clean, neat and clean, not cutting down the trees, planting more trees. Also we can take care of our neighborhood. Yes, so the answer you can write over here is we can take care of our neighborhood by keeping it neat and clean, and neat, clean and green also you can write. We can take care of our neighborhood by keeping neat, clean and green. So its answer you can write WE CAN can, TAKE take, CARE care, OF off, OUR our, NEIGS BOURHOD neighborhood, BY by, KEEPING keeping, IT eat, CLEN clean, comma, NEAT neat, ANDN GREN green. Full stop. Shortly you can write in this way, otherwise you can write of your own answers also. These are the just model answers I have given you orally, so you try to write your answers your own based on the understanding of the lesson. So write the name of your friends in the neighborhood, you know it better, so try to write the name of the friends who are in your neighborhood. And in number 2, festivals you celebrate with your neighborhood. So whatever festivals you celebrate with together with your neighborhood, you can write the name of the festivals here in the blank. So just below that you can see draw a Diwali picture and color it. So you can see the picture of Diwali over here. The first there is Diwali, then after Christmas, then Eid, and then after maybe Guru Parva. So at the first, number 1 picture is of Diwali. So you can try to draw this picture here in the space provided. So complete this chart by filling the names of your neighbors. So you can complete the table also over here by writing the name of your neighbors. So name, job they do, and their telephone number. Either you do or not, it's up to you. There is no compulsion to do this last one. So other all the exercises that is given over here need to write in your social study copy. Okay, so this after that you can solve this class test paper 1 based on chapter 1 to 5. Write all the answers in your copy without looking from the book or copy. Just try to solve these all answers without looking. Okay, thank you.